So here I'm preparing the bundle. This is where the coal, where I'm gonna catch the coal, and you see it's a little cave in there. And you gotta make sure that it all stays dry. This is a very powerful technique, and this is cedar bark that I collected before. That it's also a great material for starting the fire. And one of my reasons for learning this, it wasn't a reason, but it was this need, this pain about not having my need. It's like about missing these technologies that I wasn't taught when I was younger, and I learned to make a fire, but it was always with a match or with a lighter. So this is really good material. I'm gonna add it to the nest. We have our handle, your spindle, and your bow. The handle goes on top of this. Then gets locked. Starting to rain. And this season, this is one of the challenges, finding dry stuff to start a fire and keeping things dry. Your kid, this kid you need to keep it dry all the time. It needs to stay dry. So what I'm doing right now is adjusting the spindle. so that it doesn't clash with the edge so much. I'm nervous because I don't have so much time, and things are getting wet. So this is the little coal, which I'm gonna move into the nest. Then we start blowing on it. A little bit against the wind. So I'm finding where the wind is blowing to help me. Find the opening. The more the smoke comes, the closer you know it getting. got wood flame. And when you put there, take your fire. Now you can start building your fire. So that's how you start building a fire, and it starts from there. It gets from here and it gets really big, and it's really a miracle. The first time that I watched this, it was really a miracle. And I loved it. I fell in love with it, and here I am showing it to you. So one of the things that was missing for me was something at the core level. I was up here in the computer world with the technology up here, and I could do websites, I could do programming, I could do all of these different things up there, but there was something missing at the core of my being that it was creating a big pain in my life. So this process that we're doing now is a process of healing Technopenuriaphobia, which is the phobia, the fear of missing technology, of not having the technology. And is the process of going down the ladder of technology of humans to go to the more grounded, more basic technologies like fire making, like hunting, like harvesting food and medicine from the earth. And these are the core technologies that I was missing in my life, and that I went in a journey to discover. This thing here, it changed my life. It reactivated something inside of my being that it created that reconnection that I was looking for. It created that foundation that really made this awesome thing about being alive in earth, about being a man, about being a human being, and about being part of nature. So this is an introduction for this term or these healing processes that I'm gonna begin introducing, of healing the missing steps on the ladder of technology. There is a ladder of technology, and I was up here, and you are up here in this technology world, and you're missing those steps at the bottom, and this creates a huge fear in the being. And this process of healing is about climbing down those steps, creating one step at a time, like going camping, creating a shelter, spending a night outside, making a fire, building a fire by yourself, creating a friction fire, harvesting food from the forest, harvesting medicines, preparing medicines, cooking outside. So all of these, they are steps that get you closer to the nature of your being and to this missing DNA core basic slabs or steps that we're missing by only staying on the higher level of the technology. So if you're attracted to this, like this video or subscribe or send me a message, because I have some and ask, like, I would love to know what are you missing, how is this for you, and what is this pain for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll watch you again in next time. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.